All right, guys, I'm here at the Wild Studio, and if you're like me, you love seeing studio and gear tours and reviews and setups, and I just love seeing how people record stuff and the equipment they use or whatever. And so let's do a quick tour of our studio. Here we got the setup that I was just recording. We got this big aperture light dome. This thing is a beast. It's pricey, but it's worth the investment. It's like $700 because it's pretty much the only light you need. And so we just got this IKEA, this really cool modular background. I'm waiting on more of the attachments to get it set up properly. And then this thing was on IKEA on a clearance. It folds down into a bed if you want to make it flat. So if my friends ever come and want to stay in town, that's always a spot they can sleep. And so we got the light. We got the tripod with the heavy-duty Canon setup, the onboard Rode Pro. Got my computer there for notes on the setup. And, you know, you just sit there and it looks like this. And it looks like that. Now over here, we got our prop set up. It's still a bit in the works. We moved in only a couple weeks ago. But we've got all this labeled, all the different gear. This whole drawer is attachments, tripods and stands, cables, and I recommend you don't buy as much gear as I did. I've been collecting stuff for probably the past 4 years, and so it's added up. A lot of duplicate stuff that I don't need. Lighting, these super nifty bins that we use at Wild Foods, great for holding product and marketing materials and all kinds of stuff, easy access. Then we got the ingredient shelf. This is going to be all Wild Foods products right here. And then each one's going to have a jar that's labeled so we can do recipe videos, easy access. Still building all that out. We're going to have a whole prop set up here. So you can see we already have cups. We got straws and different props and stuff. Again, work in progress. More ingredients for cooking videos, all the brewing stuff. Flat lays for overhead shots, cool scenes and whatnot. Kitchen is a little bit of a disaster, still building it out. This setup I'm really proud of. These are lantern paper things. I don't really know what they're called, but you put a light bulb inside like that, and then you can hang these from wherever. I just got basic hooks, right? Run it to a power strip so I can turn the whole thing off and on, and it gives you that real nice overhead light with minimal shadow, and it just really diffuses the light very well. Really love that setup, and it just kind of lights the whole studio up really well. Bedroom, yeah, we'll move on. Kitchen, it's going to be set up better. Kind of got our charging station. I'm going to find something for that. I got those IKEA boards again. That's going to hang everything. That's going to be really cool when it's done. Then we got our little Wild Food station for products. Again, building that out. This is going to be a bookcase. These are books that have changed my life. And anytime I want to record about a book or doing a YouTube video about something, I just grab one. We'll have different genres like philosophy, psychology, fiction. This is actually supposed to go in philosophy. Then we got like self-help. We have evolutionary biology, vegetarian myth. That's a great book. You should read that. Everyone should understand that. And that's pretty much all she wrote. I mean, it's one bedroom apartment at the Domain, and it's not built out yet. We still need to get stuff on the walls. We need to get some decorations, really wild it up. But what's nice about this is it's a place that I can come, record, undisrupted. It's a place where my crew can come, undisrupted. And we're going to be cranking out recipe videos, more benefit videos, all kinds of cool stuff. So that's the tour. But the one thing I will say, the biggest recommendation I can give you is to have some kind of setup that has your lights already done. And so all you have to do is basically sit and record. It's all about reducing the resistance, because if you got to set this stuff up every single time, it's going to reduce the chances that you actually pump out content. That was the Wild Studio. Make sure you jab the thumbs ups, slap the subscribe, slap the thumbs up, jab the subscribe. One or the other, either one. Just do it enthusiastically. And if you have any questions or comments about any of the specific gear, the cameras, etc., drop it below and I'll give you a link. Thanks for watching.